सा स्ट्रीट वेयर ब्रांड, तो हमने ये बहुत पहले से ये सोचा था कि हमें एक स्ट्रीट वेयर ब्रांड बनाना है। एंड हमारा विजन ये है कि हमें कुछ अलग से फैब्रिक्स पे प्ले करना है। एंड हमारा कॉटन हमने फैब्रिक सोच किया है बहुत टाइम लगाकर, तो आई थिंक ये हमारा यूएसपी है। एंड हमारे बेस्ट सेलर्स होंगे हुडीज एंड स्वेटशर्ट्स फॉर श्योर, तो हमारी ये यूएसपी है। थैंक यू।
So I'm very excited to look over their collection, and guys, please follow 41 page on Instagram. And I would like to check their collection online as well, and as well as in stores. And I congratulate to him and his whole team. Thank you so much.
First of all, many congratulations for your brand.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The brand and
So the 41 stands for the unisex streetwear brand. It is available right now on our website, that is 41.com. It is also available on Instagram. You can buy it online through the shop of Instagram shopping portal. Also, it's a very unisex brand. It's a very Gen Z collection. It's a youth brand. It's focusing completely on very fresh colors which are available in the market. We are completely focusing and targeting the youth, young generation. And thank you so much, Mansi, for coming in, because बहुत busy schedule है इनका. She's an amazing actress. She's doing so much good work. And thank you so much आप आए हमारे
इतने
लिए.
ब्रांड्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, बिग ह्यूमन भी है, किंग ने भी
Correct.
अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च कर दिया है।
Correct.
सो इसमें क्या पहले तो
इसमें
क्या
एक ही
प्रोनाउंस करेंगे वो एग्जैक्ट
it's
बताइए।
41 FOUR
सो क्या इसकी
1.
यूएसपीज है और कुछ ब्रांड से अलग इसमें क्या
सो
है?
एक ही यूएसपी है इसका कि इसको हम लोग ने बहुत ग्राउंड लेवल पे रिसर्च करके बनाया है. वी हैव पुट इन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स, वी हैव पुट इन लॉट ऑफ यंग जनरेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. ऑल्सो वी हैव पुट इन लॉट ऑफ यंग youth, people who are currently just studying in colleges, who have just finished their degrees. We are trying to focus and empowering a lot of young generation to work towards the business, work towards their own passion. We are trying to make them follow our dreams. We are not just putting people across for the job culture जो सिर्फ एक 9 to 4 वाला जॉब करते हैं. वी आर ट्राइंग टू पुट इट एंड कलेक्टिव डिजाइन कर रहे हैं. वी आर टेकिंग फ्रेश आइडियाज फ्रॉम द यंग जनरेशन. आई थिंक दैट्स अ यूएसपी.
सर आउट ऑफ इंडिया जो आपको दुबई की जो ऑडियंस है, जो कस्टमर्स है, वो कैसे बाय कर सकते हैं?
Oh, it is website is completely pan world. Basically, आप अगर दुबई में भी हो तो आप हमारे वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. We have tie-ups with different agencies, with a different travel and plus packaging companies, so you can buy it online. You need to tell us, you can DM us, we are available in Dubai market also, as we have one office in Dubai. So Dubai से भी हम पूरे UAE market में, Abu Dhabi market में we are working.
क्या कहेंगे अक्षय का लॉन्च है, आप आइए लॉन्च में, एक ब्रांड लॉन्च हुआ है जो आजकल बहुत कम देखने को मिल रहा है,
Yeah,
सॉन्ग
yeah.
लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, तो इस पे क्या बताएंगे?
I'm very excited to check his collection online and as well as in store. And you guys can follow his Instagram page
Thank you.
for one. And I can see this colorful hoodies and all. I love fresh colors and casual style. I'm more into casual styles. So guys, you can just check out their pages and as well as in the store. And I congratulate
Thank
you
you
and
so
your
much.
team.
Means
Thank you so
thank
much.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
का ब्रांड लॉन्च हुआ है, उसमें सेलिब्रिटी गेस्ट आए, क्या फील कर रहा है ब्रांड के बारे में? जो आजकल बहुत से ब्रांड्स आ गए हैं, जैसे बी ह्यूमन ब्रांड है, किंग ने भी अपना ब्रांड लॉन्च कर दिया है, तो उसमें क्या कहना चाहिए सर? अभी फैशन में कितने ब्रांड्स इन्वॉल्व होते जा रहे हैं?
So basically, 41, which has been launched tonight, is a very young brand. It's a sportswear brand. It's very colorful. It's very price sensitive. Anybody can afford it, and at the end of the day, it's very chic. You can use it for all your Instagram stories. You can use it for your Instagram. Get ready with me. It's so fucking chic. It's amazing, and I'm not wearing it right now, but I'm gonna go wearing it.
कहाँ रंजीत प्रोडक्ट्स के कौन से शो है, क्या अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में बताएंगे?
Sorry.
व्हाट्स योर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट जिसके बारे में बताएंगे, कोई फैशन शो या क्या हो रहा है अभी?
My upcoming projects are lots with art and with fashion and with Bollywood, and hopefully we can all collaborate together with Akshay and with all the team over here to do some really fabulous stuff together.
अक्षय के लिए तो वर्ड्स तो
So Akshay and I know each other for like about 15 years, since he was a kid almost, and he's really a fabulous human being. He's a fabulous chef, and I love the food over here at Kavali Lounge, and I love the vibe. And I need to come here more often. It's just that I'm just so busy. But Akshay keep calling me, and I need to come.
डिजाइनर हैं, कार्पेट हैं, रंजीत प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, शाकिर हैं, सलमान हैं, कैसा फील कर रहा है, क्या कहना चाहिए?
It's an amazing brand. मैं अभी आया इट्स एन अमेजिंग ब्रांड. मतलब ये ब्रांड के बारे में आके देखा, अपना उसका फैब्रिक को फील किया. इट्स अ वेरी जेंसी ब्रांड ओन बाय अ वेरी यंग person, known by very young people. So I'm thinking it's going to do very well. And I really love the fabric what they're using. Also the designs and everything is so youthful. It's so fun.
लास्टली अक्षय को क्या विश करना चाहेंगे?
अक्षय
सर,
को-
नई चीज में नई फील्ड में आएगा अक्षय.
Akshay is like, I wish him all the best. I'm very sure this brand is going to do very good. But I hope it does really well. Thank you so much.
हेलो मैम, हेलो मैम, जी अभी ब्रांड को लॉन्च हुआ अक्षय का, तो उसमें क्या कहना चाहिए आप?
I wish him all the best for his new venture, and yeah, I feel really good here coming here in the launch, and yeah, we are all are enjoying.
आपको क्या फैशन में मैम क्या ज़्यादा पहनना पसंद है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए.
I'm like a very feminine person, so I like good dress up, class, elegant, but at the same time sometimes I like being sporty. So yeah, combination of feminine and sporty.
अक्षय को क्या विश करना चाहेंगे मैम अपने?
Akshay, thank you for inviting me and all the best for your new venture. I hope lots and lots of success come to you. Thank you.
Abhishek, I'm here tonight on the special date for 1 January, that is 4th January. And what better than Akshay launching his own
Thank
brand
you so
for
much,
1.
Shakir. Thank
I
you.
think the name synonyms with the date today, and what I see is a lot of colors, something like what I'm wearing.
Yeah,
I'm
totally.
too fond of colors, and of course, we are in the winter season now, and summers are coming by. And what I get to know is these clothes are going to be available online, not just in India, but all over the world.
Thank
So, Akshay, all the
Thank
best.
you so much,
Great
Shakir.
initiative, color vibe, punk, everything
Thank
here.
you. It means a lot that Shakir has come up for the event because I think he has been really busy with his back-to-back schedules. Thank you so much for removing time and coming out for this
बैक
event.
बड़े-बड़े डिजाइनर्स
But
में आ रहा है.
exactly,
शाकिर हैं, तो कैसा
thank
फील
you.
कर रहा है?
I
ब्रांड
am feeling, I am feeling very overwhelmed because I think that's just like the start. Because I think he's a fashion icon. He's been known in the industry as something like a fashion icon, somebody who has created models, somebody who has created shows, curated big fashion shows. I think it's a very big pleasure for me to him to attend my small launch. I think thank you so much for coming.
All the best, Akshay.
लास्टली कुछ आपको कुछ के बताइए कौन सा शो क्या आने वाला है शाकिर?
Well, see, year is just started. We're doing a lot of projects, traveling for some government shows very closely. But yes, the year looks good and promising. You will see as the time travels. But Akshay, all the best.
Thank you so much, Shakir. Means a lot. Thank you so much.
Good to see you again.
Thank you so much.
अक्षय का ब्रांड लॉन्च हुआ है.
Congratulations.
Akshay and Himanshu, yes. Ashfan.
अक्षय का नशवाक राइट, सॉरी. सो काफी
Yeah,
ब्रांड
wishing you
लॉन्च
a
हुआ
very
है.
happy birthday.
बीइंग ह्यूमन आया, उसके बाद किंग का भी ब्रांड लॉन्च है, आपका भी ब्रांड लॉन्च है. ये भी
Yes,
कितना
King
बॉलीवुड
का
में
brand
चल
launch
रहा है.
भी हुआ है, right?
I must say, whenever it comes to branding, Bollywood is in trending. So अगर कोई बॉलीवुड का पार्ट होकर और कोई अपना खुद का ब्रांड लॉन्च करता है तो आई मस्ट से कि वो हिट होना ही है.
Thank you.
एंड मेरा भी खुद का एक ब्रांड है, लॉन्चर ब्रांड, जिसको हम गैगी के नाम से.
Okay.
सो मुझे किसी भी ऐप को अगर लॉन्चर चाहिए होती है तो मैं ऐसे बल्क में दे देती हूँ. तो आई एम श्योर अगर हमारी नेक्स्ट फिल्म में हमें क्लोथिंग चाहिए होगी तो मैं
100%.
इन्हीं से
We
लेने
would
वाली हूँ.
love to be a part of it. We'd love.
डन है एंड आई एक्सपेक्ट कि 50-60% डिस्काउंट देगा.
जरूर, जरूर.
स्टार कहना वशिष्ठ आ गई, कैसा फील कर रहा
I
है
am so overwhelmed because I think she's removed time to come out for this event out of a busy schedule. Back to back shooting हो रही है इनकी, back to back films आ रही है, serials, everything she's on to. We've always been a huge fan of her, and she's attending our event. It's a very big thing for us. Thank you so much, Gaina. Thank you so much.
Thank
Means
you
a
so
lot.
much. Thank you so much. And once again, मैं कहूँगी it is a new beginning. So put your best.
Thank you.
Do best as much as you can. Online promotion करो, कुछ करो. You make sure कि जब हम next year मिलें तो successful party होनी
Thank
चाहिए.
you
आपका
so
बात.
much.
बता दीजिए कहाँ अवेलेबल है ब्रांड?
I think Himanshu and Ashfan would be the right people.
Brand is available online right now. We have a website which is 414.in. वेबसाइट एक्टिव है, आप अभी भी जा सकते हैं और वेबसाइट पे जा करके ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं. सारे
क्या
जितने भी
यूएसपी है
आर्टिकल्स
सर इस ब्रांड की? इतने ब्रांड्स आ गए
Yeah,
मार्केट में.
unit.
यूएसपी
बेस्ट क्या प्रोडक्ट आपका वो बताइए.
बेस्ट ये है कि फैब्रिक हमने मतलब ये फैब्रिक आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेगा. बेस्ट से बेस्ट ब्रांड आप ढूंढने चले जाओ. इस पे हुडीज एंड स्वेटशर्ट्स एंड टी-शर्ट्स.
And और एक चीज़ है, the unique thing what you asked for, we are trying to focus on the young generation. We are trying to really keep them busy with our brand. We are trying to get the creatives and fresh ideas out in the market. So I think that's how the young generation goes ahead, right? Everybody need to support each other. Otherwise, we hear a lot of things that young generation getting into wrong things, wrong people. So I think we are keeping them busy with our designing part. We are either hiring them, we are making sure that they are being paid, well paid, and they are growing, with our brand. That's the entire
This
focus.
is unisex, right? And the title is so good. 4-1.
On 4/1.
On 4/1.
Today is
Exactly.
4/1.
Today's 4/1. On his birthday.
4th of
Exactly.
January.
Okay. So once again, I'm wishing you all
Thank you. Thank you.
super congratulations.
Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you so much.
Please, please be a part.
सर अक्षय का ब्रांड लॉन्च
Hello,
क्या कहना
Happy New Year. Yeah, I think this brand is very beautiful, good colors, like pop colors. I think it's a great initiative for this unisex brand where a girl or a boy, like, you know, they can wear it like completely. And like I love, see the colors here, it's beautiful. Trust me. And it's like so comfy to wear. And next, of course, I'm gonna change into that only after some time. But yes, yeah, a big congratulations to Akshay and Afshan.
And yeah, a very big congratulations to Akshay and Afshan, like Salman said. And Happy New Year to everyone. And I think the brand has a very Gen Z vibe and like all the Gen Z and like
Exactly.
millennials. Like
I think it's for all kind of age
yeah,
group basically.
Exactly. So everyone can wear. The colors are very popping and yeah, we love it. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Akshay. Thank you.